deceptive cadence, right? It sounds as if you want to go back home, but you end up going to another chord. So that is a deception, or the interrupted cadence. And usually an interrupted cadence progresses from chord 5 to 6. So instead of going from 5 to 1, you see the progression going from 5 to 6. So that is an interrupted cadence. It's a deception. All right. So we have a few examples here. All right. The first one, you see that chord 5 going to chord 6. It is very, very important while approaching the chord 6. You see that the third of chord 6 is usually doubled, right? So what's the third here? The third is D. And you see that they are approached in a contrary motion, right? So that is the best way to approach the interrupted cadence. Number one, you double the third of the chord, and number two, the doubled notes are approached in contrary motion. In this case, it goes up, right, in the tenor notes, right, from C to D, and in soprano it goes down from E down to D, right? So let's see how it sounds. So it sounds this way in the major tonality, this way, yes, and in the minor tonality also have similar arrangement. So in this case, we also doubled the third, right? Instead of doubling the root, we double the third here, and they are both approached in contrary motion. So you see that the doubled notes are found between alto and tenor in this progression. So you see, going down from C to B, right, in this case, and in the case of tenor, going up a step from A sharp to B. So it sounds this way. Right, sounds that way. Okay, so that's that about that. Okay, so far so good. We've talked about the four popular kinds of cadence. We've talked about the perfect authentic cadence, the imperfect authentic cadence. We've talked about half cadence. We've talked about the plagar cadence, and we've talked about interrupted cadence. The authentic cadence progresses from 5 to 1. Half cadence progresses from 1 to 5, or 2 to 5, or 6 back to 5, right? The plagar cadence progresses from 4 to 1. And the interrupted cadence, or the deceptive cadence, progresses from 5 to 6. Right. Now let's talk about other kinds of cadence we have. All right, so we have the Phrygian cadence. The Phrygian cadence is also a kind of half cadence, but the progression goes from the first inversion of chord 4 to 5. And another thing to note is that in Phrygian cadence, it's usually used in the minor tonality, right? So you have this arrangement in a Phrygian cadence, and it goes this way. So it progresses from the first inversion of chord 4 to 5. Alright, everyone, aside the Phrygian cadence, we also have a Ladinic cadence, right? If you are watching me this far and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click that subscribe button so that you can enjoy more content, the discussion of theory of music, right? So whether you are preparing for ABRSM exams in any grade or Trinity exam, so this is your best stop for quality tutorials that will help you preparing for these exams. Thank you as you subscribe and like my videos. All right, now let's go to the next one.